Video 11, horror, thriller, suspense. Okay, this video will deal with the practicalities of helping to create a suspenseful, scary vibe that is the goal of a lot of different types of horror films or psychological thrillers. One of your main weapons when taping this kind of material is silence. How do you use silence to build tension? Just being aware that you can build tension with silence really helps you solve this issue on audition tapes out of the gate. Let's go right to looking at an example of this kind of situation. Let's assume our scene takes place at Sean's house. His child is upstairs. He walks in and...
Thomas, I'm home! Got some food, come on down, let's eat! Thomas, come on, I got some food, it's getting cold. Hey Thomas, I'm home! Got some food, bud, come on down, let's eat! Thomas?
Also, the next two examples will illustrate how Sean's growing awareness of something being wrong can also add to the tension.
Hey man, what are we... Thomas? Thomas! Hey man, what are we... Thomas? Thomas, if you're hiding, this isn't funny. Thomas?
Now, after looking at all of these, what I think is the most valuable thing to communicate is that you want the tension to be palpable on your audition tape. The pauses and silences help that. If someone is going to jump out and stab you in the scene, the pause before will help build it to a scarier moment. You're growing the anticipation that the audience is waiting for. Also, good thing to be aware of, as we discussed in the comedy section, a high-pitched scream will be funny. Sean will want to do something different here, probably go down into his chest voice, unless we want a horror comedy.
Thomas?
The variety in going from silence to a scream or a yell can also jar the viewer in a way that creates tension and that jumpy, skin-crawling, fun stuff that all horror movies have. Or a rhythm change can be helpful. Slow and quiet to quick and loud, like this.
Thomas?
I got you down!
Thomas, you scared the crap out of me!
Sorry, I thought it was funny.
It's fine. Dinner's getting cold. Come on down.
You jumped.
Yeah, I jumped.
Okay, that wraps up some fun ways to create tapes that excite and scare the viewer for auditions relating to the horror and thriller genre. Enjoy the fun of these when you tape something like it. It can be so fun to make the room scary and scare the audience. I'm Estes. Sean! That's Sean.
Bye, guys.
And this is How to Book It from Your Basement.